Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to create campaign to get more subscribers to your YouTube channel. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. In this channel, I am going to do all the videos regarding social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and also about YouTube. Now we will see how to get more subscribers by creating campaign. In previous video I already clearly explained about how to install UView Sub app. I will provide that video link in the I button at the top of this video. Open UView Sub app which I installed from Google Playstore. I will provide that link in the description below. Now you have to get points by watching videos. Click on campaign at the bottom of the page, then click on plus icon, then click on create subscriber campaign, and you have to paste your video URL which you want to promote. Now go to your YouTube channel and copy your video link. Now I am signing into my YouTube channel VL Infotech, and you have to select a video which you want to promote. Click on that video and get video URL. You have to copy that video URL and you have to paste that URL in UView Sub app video link to promote your videos and to get more subscribers. I opened a video which I want to promote. Click on share and copy the link. Now you have to paste in video URL and click on continue. Then you have to enter subscribers count. For each subscribers we have to pay them 240 points. I have 5000 points, so I will get 21 subscribers and click on create. Then we have successfully created our campaign to get more subscribers. In the next video, I will show you how to create video campaign to get more watch time for your YouTube videos. These are all the previous campaigns I created to get more subscribers to my YouTube channel. You can see all the campaigns are in progress and few of them are completed. If you have any questions related to any topic, please comment below. I will try to make a separate video on that particular topic. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.